Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course we always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you love my video content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, as for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve it. Okay, you can always grow from a small trading capital into a very big one. So quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and of course I'm on 5 minutes time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right here. Okay guys, the asset actually got to the resistance zone, and of course it was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend right from here. You can see the red flag, which signifies a downtrend, and of course the red the red arrows. Okay, and of course it's letting us know that the market is selling at that particular point, giving us a selling signal at that particular point, and it has been selling since then, got another signal around there till it got to this support zone. Okay, this is still selling at the moment, but if it's unable to break out below this support zone, then definitely it will go back into an uptrend. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so we should watch out for that. So it might not set for a very long time again, because it is very close to a support zone. Okay, so this is very important. Let's move on to boom 500. This is boom 500, and boom 500 also had been on downtrend starting from this resistance zone. Okay, from this particular resistance zone. You can see the red flag kept on going down and down, and of course it has got into this support zone at the moment. If it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will go back into an uptrend. It's going to try it out again. If it's unable to break out from there, it will go into an uptrend fully, so we expect it to go into an uptrend any moment from now. However, it is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out from there. That is when it will go fully into an uptrend. Okay, now let's go to the next asset, which is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 had been more of downtrend, and of course even though the movement was not that smooth, came down, went back up, came down again, and of course it's going back up again. So this is buying at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Let's check out crash 500. This is crash 500, and of course this particular asset is actually selling at the moment after ending the uptrend at this particular resistance zone. So it is now on downtrend. Okay, so and it is selling right now, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Now let's check out the last asset, which is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75. It started a downtrend right from here. You can see the red flag and the red arrow, just a single order, and of course got to this region, and of course it played around there for a while. Since it's unable to break out from there, tried out an uptrend, but didn't go too far before pulling back. It had another pullback, and of course it will be trying out the resistance zone again. If it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God